Well, hi, Brandy. I'm glad you called or wrote instead of just staying frustrated. So, question is, first of all, I just want to make sure you understand that raising something to a fraction power, what that means. By definition, if you are raising, say, 27 to the 1/3 power, that means you are taking that number, 27, and taking what's called its cubed root. That is, you're finding a number which multiplied by itself three times gives 27. Okay? So what number times itself three times gives 27? Let's trial and error. 1 cubed equals 1 times 1 times 1, or 1. Well, 1's not going to be that number. Let's try 2 cubed. 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2. That's going to be equal, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. Well, 2 isn't going to be that number. Let's try 3. 3 cubed equals 3 times 3 times 3 equals 9 times 3, or 27. Turns out 3 is going to be that number. So the cube root of 27, or 27 raised to the 1/3, is 3. Now let's take it to the problem that you showed me on the assignment. So here on the assignment, we were asked for, hold on, there we are, to evaluate the expression 512 to the 1/3 power. That means we are trying to find something which multiplies by itself 3 times. 3 times in order to get 512. So let's just try some numbers out. Well, 1, as you can imagine, ain't going to work too well. 1 times 1 times 1 is equal to just 1. We've already seen that 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Let's keep going up. 4 doesn't work. 5 doesn't. Okay, but we're getting warmer at least. 6, let's see, times 6 is 36, times 6 again is 216. Let's try 7. 7 times 7 times 7 is 49, times 7, or 343. So that doesn't work. Let's try 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 times 8 is 512. So it turns out that 8 must be the number which is the cube root of 512, or 512 to the 1/3 power. Just to make sure you get this, let's try this with some other number here, okay? Let me go with, how about 81 to the 1/4 power? We're looking for a number then that multiplies by itself 4 times to give 81. 1 certainly does not do it. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. Nah, it doesn't quite do it either. What about 3? 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. So 3 is the number which raises to the 4th power to give 81. Therefore, 81 to the 1/4 is 3. I'm hoping this explanation helps.